Hello family, how you all doing? You're welcome. If you're seeing my face for the first time, that's my face is the voice behind the camera, not the lady sitting on your screen. My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. You're welcome. So yesterday I dropped a video, and if you've not seen that video, if you check out the video you will understand better, where I reacted to women being happy. And it's good for a woman to be happy, but your happiness should not cause another woman to be sad. So the lady you're watching right now is Mercy Aigbe. She's the one that is getting married to her, that snatched another person's husband without any mercy, actually, yes. Because she came out to tell us that she loved the guy, and even though the other woman is bleeding, it's not her business. So that's why they said, internet, don't forget. We need to be mindful of the things we are putting out on the internet. Sometimes ago, Mercy Aigbe did this video on her channel where she addressed ladies and tell them that if they have to go out with a married man, it should worth it. I'm going to leave you to listen to the voice after, in a while. And then when she granted interview to her and the present husband, Mr. Aigbe'S, Mercy went all around in that interview saying that she loved the man makes her happy, the man makes her complete, that she's not getting married to the man because of the money. She kept emphasizing it's not about the money. And the truth is, Mercy has her own money actually. But we need to be careful of what we say. You can't say A when you mean B. She went about in this video telling us how a young girl should date a married man, and if you're dating a married man, you should make sure you are eating the married man money. You should not believe in the married man love. And after some years now, you are getting married to a married man, and you want people to believe that you really love the married man. You want people to believe that it's not about the money. Trust Africans, trust Nigerians. They went to dug out that video. So I'll leave you to watch the video. And another thing I want to say about the brother, Mr. Aigbe'S, he kept saying that he's a Muslim, and as a Muslim, you can marry more than one wife. In the video I dropped yesterday, which is what you're watching now, as in I'm just voicing over it, I said there is no woman that would like her husband to marry another man. For the Muslims, they will just keep to it because that's what the religion permits, and they want to just be faithful Muslims, as they call them. That's why they kept quiet. Now this man goes about saying that he's a Muslim, he can marry more than one wife. Meanwhile, Muslims have come out for him also, because the Muslim men are now saying that yes, the religion permits you to marry more than one wife, but not in the way you are going about it. The religion does not permit you sleeping with your friend's wife. The religion does not permit you going about marrying a second wife this way. So before, I'm still going to let you listen to what he said towards the ending of the video, where he said he's a Muslim and all that. And finally, for Mercy, she's begging Nigerians to leave her alone because she's not the first person to be a second wife. Yes, Mercy, you are not the first person to be a second wife. Neither are you going to be a last person to be a second wife. I've even often heard when young ladies will say they want to be second wives because first wife always suffer, the whole suffer, and the second and the third wife will now come and enjoy. I don't think it is right. I don't think it is right. But everybody should do what is good for them. But like I said, if your happiness is going to cause another person's sorrow, it's not happiness. Mrs. Aigbe'S, the real wife, has been with the husband for 20 years. Now she's ready to walk out of the marriage because the slap is just too much. Mercy going all over the media, flaunting the husband. Maybe the woman would have even taken the shit in silence. But for everything that Mercy is doing is just too much. And emphasis on the fact that Mercy is the friend to the first wife. Mercy is the friend, but Mercy is denying. But the woman had to come out. And this will bring me to the point that it's okay to keep quiet on issues. But when people start saying things that are demeaning to your character, I think you need to put a voice to it. And that's why I applaud the first wife, Mrs. Aigbe'S, for having the courage to come put it out here to say that Mercy is her friend. Because if she had kept quiet, nobody would have known. So guys, I think I'm talking too much. Let me allow you to listen to what they have to say, and then I'll come back to complete the video. If you're watching this and you are a woman, I celebrate you as a woman. Please, let's keep supporting ourselves no matter what, please. So listen to the video. If you have watched it to this extent, please like the video, thumbs up for the video, leave me a comment afterwards. But I'll see you at the end of the video. Keep watching.
Belongs to another woman, so please, it's bad enough that you're dating a married man, but if you had better be cashing out, secure the bag, you know what I mean, get that dough, you know what I mean, get that money, because that man is not yours, sis, he ain't yours, he belongs to another woman. So please, it's bad enough that you're dating a married man, but if you are, it just had better be worth it. Don't go and collect chocolate or flowers, kids from a married man. If you do, your head needs to be examined. Let me talk. If you're dating a married man, chop his money. Collect his money, because that man is already married. What else are you doing? Some stupid girls will be dating married men and they'll be doing love. See, he's not yours. It belongs to another woman. So use your brain. If you're dating a married man, make sure you're in it for the material things you're gonna get from him. So you see, today, make sure the gifts you're getting from that your married man boyfriend is either car, has to be a Benz, yeah, join the Benz gang, house, you're not too small to get a house. See, deal with this man. A man who already has a wife in the house and has Ojukokoro to be having 2, 3, 4, 5 girlfriends, all of you should come together and chop his money. By the time you chop and chop and chop him dry, he would learn his lesson and stay back at home with his wife and just take care of his children. So don't come and be collecting chocolate.
Full-grown adults. I am a Muslim, and my religion permits me to marry more than one wife. Now I am married to 2 wives. And I'm glad everything is good.
And please, I just want to tell Nigerians, please, I am not the first person to be a second wife. It is my choice. I'm happy. So everybody should just leave me. Let me enjoy my marriage.
And I want to use this medium to also educate some people. A lot of people are hypocrites. And, when you are bold enough to do the right thing. But I think that I've done what is right, and I think I've done what is godly, which I so much believe that, a lot of people are going to be making reference to me in the nearest future.
So my people, you've heard from Mercy and you've heard from Mr. Adeoti. Mr. Adeoti feels that he has done what is godly by marrying Mercy. Yes, because the Quran permits that. As for Mercy, she has a message for the married men out there. And married men, listen, I hope you've heard. If you did not hear clearly, let me interpret what she said. Mercy is advising the young girls that the married men will go and toast, that when you come to toast the young girls should milk you. The young girls should eat all the money from you, because after all, you belong to somebody else. So the only thing that they can do is that they should eat your money. As a matter of fact, if you are a married man that likes going out with 2 or 3 girls, she's advising them that when you come to them, they should eat your money. So every married man, be wise. 2 months ago or last year, what we saw was that single girls, side chick, they were deleting married men. This era now is that they should come for you and they should eat your money, they should milk you dry. And Mercy is also telling us that he's in love with Mr. Adeoti. I'll leave you to the comment section. What's your thought about it? My own take is that there's no woman that should be happy and make another woman unhappy. It's not right, it's not nice. In the light of International Women's Day, I don't know when you are watching this video, but just know that I filmed this video on International Women's Day, and I celebrate every woman out there, every woman holding the family together, every woman making it happen for their children, every woman that's just doing everything to make sure that the human race is a better place. I celebrate you. I celebrate you. Thank you if you have watched this video to this extent. Please like the video. Leave me a comment. Like I said, I love to read your comments. I will see you in my next video. It's your girl, Esther from the Esther's Chronicles TV. Happy Women's Day to all the women out there. Men, be warned. If you are going after girls, just know that the girl is coming to milk you. Especially if you are a man in Nigeria. Remember, there is school fees to be paid. If you are a man in abroad, remember there is rent, there is bills, there are bills to be paid. I'll see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.